How to open an Excel file in Tableau in 3 easy steps. This free tutorial is brought to you by Tableau.Courses. Tableau.Courses is the go-to learning platform for career switchers and newbies. Learn more at www.tableau.courses. Hello, and welcome to this how-to video. I'm Marco, and I will be your instructor for this session. You can learn more about me at blog.tableau.courses/Marco. I hope you will enjoy this session together. Today, you will learn how to open an Excel file in Tableau. This skill is part of the Tableau certification exam. You can learn more about the certification and requirements at get.tableau.courses/certification. To follow along with this lesson, you need to connect to a source in Tableau and be familiar with the Tableau workspace. If you need help, please look at the recommended tutorials linked in the video notes. This lesson does not require a specific set of data, but in case you need a sample set of data, you can download it at get.tableau.courses/sample dataset. Opening an Excel file in Tableau is straightforward. Let's do it together. First, open Tableau and click on Connect to Microsoft Excel. Then, locate the Excel file on your machine and click Open. Lastly, select the sheet of interest, orders, preview the file, and go to Worksheet. Congratulations! You are now able to open an Excel file in Tableau. This skill is part of the Tableau certification exam. You can learn more about the certification and requirements at get.tableau.courses/certification. Next, I am sharing a few videos I think you'll find interesting. This is Marco from Tableau.Courses. Tableau.Courses is the go-to learning platform for career switchers or newbies. Learn more at www.tableau.courses. Thanks for watching, and those videos are coming up next.